Welcome student. Today I will going to explain regular expression to find automata part 2. Part 2 means basically here we will discuss some critical examples, some critical regular expressions and how can we able to convert them into finite automata. Okay. And critical example means what kind of examples we are talking about. Easier part already we have done in my previous lecture and I think all of you already go through it. Okay. So now let's see, these all are basically for your recap. I can uh, show you that these all are the simple examples we have done in previous class. Now this one, the first harder one, will start it from here. That is A or it is A or BC whole star or D. A or BC whole star or D. Okay. Now let's check it that how to do it. Okay, so it is our regular expression is basically A or BC whole star or DE. Okay, so now either if we study this regular expression, you can understand that either this is DE, only DE, or it is A or BC whole star. So either this part or this part. So first think about the easier one, that is DE only. Okay, so how to draw the DE part is very easy. You can see that this is a state, it's an intermediate state, this is another state. So D, E, done. And then we have A or BC whole star. Okay, very good. So how to draw A or BC? A, BC. Clear? Now, if I consider this will be a final state, so we can go here by lambda and we can come here by lambda. If we join it through lambda, so what will happen? Now see, that if you want DE, so from the initial state, DE and done. So this is not a whole star, so done. But if we go to this part, A or BC whole star, then you can come here by lambda, then A, then lambda. So A is done. If you want to do BC, so lambda, B, C, lambda. Okay. So what will happen? Just check it again. For A, lambda, A, lambda. So what is the answer? Lambda, A, lambda, that is equal to A. You know that already I have discussed this thing in my previous lecture. So it is lambda, A, lambda. Done. Then check for the BC. Okay, so it is lambda, B, C, lambda. So it is lambda, B, C, lambda, that is equal to BC. How? See it? Lambda, B, C, and then again come back to lambda. Okay, so this is done. Very easy thing. So as we have done, we know how to draw A or BC whole star. As we know how to draw D and E. So D, then just merge them together, and this will give you some complex things. Okay, the answer of these complex things. Now, let's see some other critical examples. Okay, like this one, the number 10. Number 10. This one you can see. A or BC or D whole star and B or BC whole star. So BC whole star is very easy. We have done. A or BC or D whole star is another also easy part. That is, we can draw very easily. Now the question is how to merge them. If you want to merge them, then how to merge them? Okay. Now let's check it. First I will draw them individually and then we merge them. That is a very easy process. So let's check it. We can come back to our whiteboard again. I can erase all I have done before and then. So it is RE is basically A or BC or D whole star, and along with that we have a BC whole star. Clear? Now, how to draw them? First, draw them individually. Okay. So let's consider two states. Okay. A. This is for A. This is for that BC part, and this part is for that D. Done. Now the whole star. So A or BC or D I have done. Now the whole star. So I will go there by lambda. I will come back here by lambda. Clear? Now the BC whole star. How to draw BC? It is very easy. We have done several times it is before. B BC done. Now, if we consider this is as the final state, so we can come here by lambda. Also, we can come here by lambda, create another state that will be the initial state, and this is the way. Now, let's check it. Lambda, and I want this BC part to be repeated. Okay. See, if you go to this part, you cannot go to this. If you go to this part, you cannot go to this. There are all options. So I want to go for BC. So I come here, lambda, BC, lambda, lambda, BC, lambda, lambda, BC, lambda, and repeat it on. And here it is lambda, A, lambda, lambda, B, C, lambda, lambda, D, lambda. So we can repeat it as much as we can. Okay, done it. Clear? I think you have understood these things very clearly. Okay. Now, actually, the more complex part is when we have something whole star, and again we have a whole star above that. Suppose A or B whole star, then or C again another whole star. See one example of that part. See the question number 11. Okay, it is very interesting. One of my favorite problem. It is question number 11. Okay. Sorry, I can return back it. Okay, so some technical glitch. It is solved now. So now, if what I am telling you that this part, it is A or BC whole star or D, and then again we have a whole star upon it. So it is slightly critical, and we check how to solve it. So is A or BC whole star? Easy. Or D? Yes, it is easy. Then again a whole star. So how to draw it? We'll go to our whiteboard and do it again. Okay. I will clear the previous work and let's check it. So my expression is, it is A or BC whole star, then or we have a D, and then again a whole star. Okay, first forget about this whole star. First, we will forget about this one. Okay, and let's consider only this part is present. That is A or BC whole star or D. First consider this one. So it is A, it is A or BC, and definitely we need to draw a whole star part for it. Sorry, this must be in reverse direction. It is A or BC whole star. Then we have a or D. Okay, or D. Okay. Then what we have? This is A or BC whole star or D. You can finish it over here, but it have another whole star over it. This one. Okay. So how to draw that? Very easy. Whole star. Think this. If you think this entire thing, what I have drawn till now, if you consider this entire thing, suppose an object X. So what is our previous rule? Make it a whole star. Take another state. We will go to X by lambda. We will return to X using lambda. If we consider this entire whole thing, if I am considering this one as X, so I will go to that entire thing by X by lambda and return back to those entire thing by lambda. So it is easy, but you need to understand. Clear? So this must be the final states, and this is our initial. Okay. So now you can check it. Lambda, lambda, D, lambda. What I have? Lambda, lambda, D, lambda. Clear? That is basically D. Lambda, lambda, D, lambda. Okay. Again, lambda, lambda, D, lambda. Clear? So it's D. Now, as we have a whole star, bracket and whole star, so this can be repeated. So this lambda, lambda, D, lambda, this can be again repeated. Again, lambda, lambda, it is lambda, D, lambda, lambda, D, lambda, lambda, D, lambda. So this D will be repeated. This can be repeated. Or if you want to repeat this one, see, I want to repeat this D twice, then I want to repeat this part once or twice or thrice, and then again this D. So how it possible? This lambda D lambda, lambda D lambda. Okay. Then I want to repeat this part. So lambda, lambda, lambda. Again, lambda, lambda. Then this BC lambda or lambda A lambda. So anything is possible. So I think this part is clear to all of you. Okay. Thank you. And the other more examples are there, though this one is the more complex, most complex one, and you're able to solve the other by yourself. Try it. If not, definitely I will come in my next lecture, and in that lecture definitely we will solve them together. Okay. Thank you.